Next command is cd command. When you want to move one directory to other directory, then you can use the cd command. How can you use? First we will see what is our current directory. So use the command pwd to check. Yes, right now we are on home at Neeraj directory, right? So if you want to move one directory back, just use cd space dot dot, cd space dot dot. With this command you will move one directory back. It means right now you are on Neeraj directory, but after using this command you will be on home directory. Just press the enter and check with pwd command, and you can see now you are on one directory back, that is your home directory. If you will use again cd space dot dot, it means you will move again one directory back and you will be on root directory. So let's use it, cd space dot dot, press enter and check with pwd command. Yes, see, now you are on the root directory. What will happen if you will use once again cd dot dot? Nothing will happen, because root is the root folder. After that you cannot move. So you can check with the pwd, still you are on root directory. You can check the list with the ls command. In the root you can find out these folders and files. How can you verify? Just move on files, and computer means root, right? So here you can check all the folders and files shown with the ls command. All of them you can see over here, like bin, media, snap. You can see bin, boot, cd-rom, bin, boot, cd-rom, and snap. Like all these folders you can see with the ls command, right? Now suppose I want to move one directory forward, means now I want to move on home. So what can I do? Just use again change directory cd and mention the directory name, that is home, right? Press enter and now you are on home directory. You can check with the ls command, and here is one directory only, Neeraj. Let's verify it. Let's move on home, and inside the home there is only one directory, that is Neeraj. Now I want to move on this folder, this directory. So again use cd Neeraj, press enter. Now you are on Neeraj directory, and you can check with the ls command. You can see the list over there. So just double click on it, and all the folders and files you can see here, same will be available with the ls command. So this was the simple cd command. You can move one by one back or one by one forward in the form of directory.